Alright, good morning everyone, or afternoon, depending upon where you're actually located. Hey, I just wanted to kind of go over how to install the AWS CLI in case you wanted to interact with AWS services using commands using your command line shell. This, of course, it gives you direct access to the public APIs of AWS services, and it's just an alternative to using the AWS Management Console. So the first thing I would do is I would just open up a Google page and I would type in AWS CLI version 2. I have Mac, you can put Linux, you can put Windows, depending upon what you're actually using. And then you would click on one of these links down here. I've already got it open. When I open this up, it actually gives you the option for Linux, Mac OS, and Windows. So just choose the one that you would like. For instance, if you're choosing Linux, you would click on Linux and you would come down here and you're going to actually run all three of these commands using the CLI, right? And so you'd use this one right here. This is your zip file. This one right here is your to unzip that file, and this last one right here is running the installer as root. Okay, so you would actually use all three of these commands. If, let's see, where is, well, let me get out of Linux. If you're doing the Windows, we'll skip down to Windows. You would just click over here and you would actually run this right here, and you just go through all the steps, right? And the Mac OS, which is what I'm using, this is the PKG file, and you would just you click on this and you just run through the steps. So when you've downloaded and you've gone through all the steps, and again, I would do it for you, but I've actually already got this running. So let me run this and show you what this will look like. If I can get this up, give me 1 second. All right, let me run this over. Perfect. All right, so for you to, how you would know if it's actually installed correctly is that, let me clear this out too, is that you could come over here and you say AWS -- and then you say version. And this will show you if you've actually have it downloaded properly. And there you go, AWS CLI 2.15.4. So we've actually got it installed correctly, and that's how you'll know right here. You'll see this pop up right down here. So anyway, we are going to use this CLI in some upcoming videos, and so I wanted to show you how to actually install this correctly. If you have any questions, just send me a message and I'd be happy to answer for you. All right, thank you very much and have a great day.